To answer this question, I am here on the all submission page of CodeChef. Here you can see the different submissions of different users. So you can get the idea what all languages do users use. So as you can see in this page, the widely used programming languages are three. They are C++, Python and Java. So instead of just influencing by others and just wasting your time in choosing the programming language, remember one thing: programming language is just a tool. The main thing you have to do is competitive programming. So pick up any one of the programming language that you like, either C++, Java or Python. In my case, I love C++ the most. You may like Java the most or Python the most. It's up to you. So choose of your own programming language, practice a lot, learn DSA, and solve problems daily. So to answer this question, what all data structures and algorithms you can learn before starting the competitive programming? Actually, you can start competitive programming while learning the data structure and algorithm. You do not have to be proficient in any type of data structure algorithm before starting the competitive programming. But you should be familiar with the programming language, the OOPS concept, object oriented programming, the use of classes, functions. You should know that much for loop, while loop, if else, switch before starting the competitive programming, such as arrays, netlist, stack, queue, priority queue, heap, trees, BST, and graphs. So, algorithm section, you have to learn various type of algorithms such as recursion, backtracking, divide and conquer, segment trees, bandwidth trees, greedy algorithm, graphs, square root decomposition, shortest path, and dynamic programming. These are some algorithms that problems in competitive programming tends to ask. Dynamic programming and graphs problem are the most likely one to be asked in competitive programming as well as in interviews also. These algorithms are very important. So you can learn these algorithms from Geeks for Geeks. Also, you may prefer various channels such as Free Code Camp on YouTube. You can learn from there also. You can try Coursera courses. Coursera courses have various courses on algorithms, and you can also try MIT OpenCourseWare courses. That too are so awesome. So for practicing the problem, if you are a beginner, you are just starting in competitive programming, you can prefer HackerRank. It is very good platform to practice specific language and various data structures and algorithms. You can also prefer Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is also best for beginners problems. You can just filter the problems according to the level of the problem, like easy, medium, or hard. If you are a if you want to try with medium problems, you can go for CodeChef or LeetCode. CodeChef is one of my personal favorite platform to compete, and LeetCode is also very good for interview preparation. It has various questions asked in the interview of big tech giants such as Amazon. And for advanced level, you can try Code Forces.